everyone. Today in similar triangles we are going to discuss basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem. The short form of basic proportionality theorem is your BPT. Sometimes this theorem is also asked in the examination like state and prove BPT theorem. So you should know that BPT is a short form of basic proportionality theorem. Let us see what the statement of the theorem is. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This is to be proved. The second part is to be proved. The given is if a line is drawn parallel to one side. Let us see what is given. It's given that triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, we can draw a line that is DE. You can see here DE is a line parallel to, it's parallel to BC. So your DE is a line parallel to BC. Now we have to prove, you can see here, to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now, if in a triangle a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, D and E are your distinct point, distinct means different point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, or we can say the sides are proportional. Now we are going to prove with a given condition. In order to prove this, we will do the construction. Our construction will be, let us see here, we are drawing this EL. You can see that EL is perpendicular to AD. EL, now this EL, and this is the sign of perpendicular to AD, and join BE. You have to join this BE. Okay. Now we will see the proof. One more construction will be done in the next half of the proof. Now just see what we have to prove AD. So you take area. Area is AR is short form of area. Area of triangle. Again area of triangle. For better understanding, you write this AD. Again you write here DB. This is your DB. Just take E here, again E. You can see that ADE, and the next triangle is BDE. Your ADE is acute angle triangle, as all the angles are less than 90. So, and your BDE is your obtuse angle triangle, and area of any triangle is half base, that is AD, into height, that is EL. In the same way, area of triangle DBE will be half. Your base here, you will be taking this BD. This is your BD into height, that is EL. And from here, EL and EL will be cancelled. You are here with AD upon BD, and give it equation number 1. In the same way, we will do one more construction for the second half. Let us see the second half, that is this one. This is DM. You can see here we are drawing this DM perpendicular to AE, and join DC. Once again we will take area of triangle. Again you write this one AE upon area of triangle EC. Just see what point joins them. AE when you write, then you write here D. Again when EC D. Once again you can see that this is half. Your base will be AE and your height will be DM. Similarly again half, that is EC, and this height will be DM. Now your DM and DM get cancelled. You are here with AE upon EC, and this is equation number 2. Now please see the left hand side of equation 1 and the left hand side of equation 2. in both this equation, in numerator we are having the same triangle, whereas in denominator we are having two different triangles. The one triangle is DBE. You can see here DBE, and the other one is DCE. In your class 9th, you have studied that the triangle on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. So you can write area of triangle DBE is equal to area of triangle ECD, that is triangles on same base, you can mention the base DE, and between same parallels and between same parallel lines. Give it equation number 3. Now just see here children, numerator as I already told it is equal, denominator you made it equal by this. So from 1, this is from 1, 2 and 3, you get AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. This is all about BPT ratio. So once again we have seen how the theorem can be proved by the given condition. Thank you.